Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have iPhone updated and iCloud signed in. Now act. Plug the Homepod into power and wait for the pulsing white light. Once you see that, hold your iPhone close and open the Home app. The accessory card appears. Tap Add Accessory and follow the on-screen animation to transfer Wi-Fi and Apple ID settings automatically. This saves time and ensures Siri and HomeKit permissions are granted. Make sure you accept prompts for personal requests if you want messages and reminders. Once added, assign the HomePod to a room and give it a clear name so Siri responds correctly. In the Home app, enable personal requests and voice recognition so the speaker recognizes family voices and accesses calendars and messages. This improves privacy and function. Next, choose sound options or check the automatic setting for room calibration. Then add the HomePod to any HomeKit scenes and set AirPlay targets for music. This organizes playback across devices and simplifies voice commands. You're nearly done. Test a variety of commands like Hey Siri, play jazz, and route audio from an iPhone using AirPlay to confirm functionality. If you have two HomePods, create a stereo pair in the Home app and position them symmetrically for accurate imaging. Try multi-room playback to ensure synchronization. If something goes wrong, restart the HomePod and your router first. If problems persist, reset the HomePod using the Home app or the physical reset sequence. This clears settings and lets you start fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.